One place, how I showed you. Oh my god. Okay. Do it.
Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch all my videos and like, because why not? Anyways, let's get into the video. So today I am going to cook garlic soup. Yes, garlic soup. So this is gonna be a recreation video actually, because a few days ago I watched this really aesthetically pleasing recipe video of garlic soup. Yeah, I watched this video and I was like, you know what, I have to take videos like this. It's so nice to watch the way he cuts onions and all that stuff. So let me just play the video for you. Yeah, so look at that, candles, then soup, wow, and then the rain, and like, oh my god, look at that. I hope it's tasty. It looks tasty. I hope it tastes as well. Look at the onion, look at the way he's cutting the onions. Wow, I hope I can at least like 1%, like, honestly I cannot cut like that, however. So let me just get into this video as soon as possible. But if you really want to watch this the real video, you can check it in my link down below. I have also the recipe, so yeah,